Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Free X Metcon 2 training shoes. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Free X Metcon 2 training shoes or workout shoes. And this pair is in the UK size 8 or US size 9 and in the Legion Green, Jade Horizon, Imperial Blue, Oil Grey colourway. And it's also available in very many other colorways and sizes. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, flipping up the box lid to reveal the pair of training shoes inside. Let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike Free X Metcon 2s. Okay, so there they are sitting nicely in the box. Let's lift the left foot side out and take a close-up look at it. So this is the Legion Green, Jade Horizon, Imperial Blue, Oil Grey colorway. And of course it's in the UK size 8 or US size 9. And let's set the box to the side and just focus on the left foot side for now, and then we'll take a look at the right foot side as well, and then both together at the same time. So here we have the workout or training shoes, the left foot side. So you can see the Legion Green, Jade Horizon, Imperial Blue, and Oil Grey colorways. So the Imperial Blue, let's remove the stuffing and then you'll be able to see the Imperial Blue on the inside of the shoe. So it's just the sole, as you can see, or the sock liner inside, which is Imperial Blue. Otherwise it is a majority green colored training shoe. And weight wise, this being the third pair that I've unboxed, of course all of them in different colorways, this one being the majority green colorway. I recently unboxed, or firstly unboxed the red one, and very recently was a grey, and now we have a green pair here. So weight wise, as I mentioned, relatively light in weight, and of course having a mesh fabric upper, being very lightweight and breathable as well. And you can see the lacing system as well, having a midfoot cage with very many positions to lace through to provide the added lockdown when it comes to stability and a more secure fit. And the back, as you can see, there is a semi or slightly flexible heel counter to provide some level of support, given that it does have an partial inner sleeve, as you can see. So it is, or does provide a sock-like kind of experience. So let's start from the front, from the toe area. So the black areas of the outsole or sole of the shoe have high traction, and you can see very finely there are horizontal grooves in them. And just moving upwards, you can see the Nike swoosh, and of course the dimple pattern of the upper fabric mesh of the shoe. And as we move upwards towards the tongue, you can see the Metcon branding aligned vertically along the tongue of the shoe, or at least the upper cover. As you can see, it is pretty much integrated as one unit. And towards the heel area and inside, you can see that Imperial Blue color, interestingly all hidden away on the inside of the shoe. And of course the padding does provide plenty of cushioning and padding around the heel and ankle area or collar of the training shoe. So right across you can see this heel counter does extend to the midfoot cage as one kind of semi-soft or semi-hard plastic. And just taking a look around, you can see the Nike Free branding and the kind of contoured heel area of the training shoe. And right there, looking at the pattern of the outsole, once again we see the black areas with high traction and durability that extend or protrude beyond the majority or main areas of the outsole. As you can see, they do stick out to provide that added traction or grip, and of course improved wear as well, covering the kind of high wear areas of the training shoe. And of course, very interestingly, is that tri-pointed kind of pattern on the outsole, and you can see the very block-like structure providing plenty of flexibility, and you can see it does kind of extend towards the shoulder or sides of the sole, much like sipes on performance tires. So right there, giving you a look as well. So plenty of flexibility in terms of movement and breathability, given that it does have a very lightweight mesh upper cover. So right there, just going to do a rotation right round, and let me just tuck away the laces just to neaten things up slightly. So you can see that two levels of green, the majority green on the upper cover being the Legion green, and then we have the Jade Horizon being on the sole of the shoe. So in terms of hardness, you can see it does have a foam midsole to provide plenty of cushioning and of course stability as well. So it is firm but not too stiff or too soft. So just press my thumbs into the material, and then this area is quite a lot harder and stiffer, the black area right here, providing that much needed midfoot stability when it comes to lifting. Okay, so now let's go ahead and lift out the right foot side. Let's set this left foot side down, make sure it's still in the frame without blending in with the foreground. It's right there. And pop the right foot side out from the box. Okay. Just setting the box to the side, right there on the left hand side of the frame. Okay, so we have the left foot side now with the right foot, the right foot side and the left foot side being in the background, resting nicely there. So you have both the left and right in view of the Free X Metcon 2 workout or training shoes in the Legion Green, Imperial Jade, Legion Green, Jade Horizon, Imperial Blue, and Oil Grey colorway. However, there are very many other colorways to choose from. So if this isn't your color, there's sure to be one that matches your taste. So taking a look once again on the inside with that Imperial Blue sock liner. Just giving you a look inside, and the stuffing is still in there. We can just leave it in there. Doesn't matter too much. Well, actually, let's pop it out. And there, much clearer look now. And you can see that Nike swoosh with the training branding on the sock liner, which is Imperial Blue. So they're giving you a close-up look right there. And the very block-like hexagonal structure of the forefoot area of the sole, providing plenty of flexibility there. You can see just bending right there with my fingers in the forefoot area of the training shoe. And twisting as well, you can see, providing plenty of movement, yet having a very nice and stiff midsole area with that mid-cage lockdown, where it comes in handy for stability and improved feel when it comes to doing weight lifting and weight training exercises. Now let's take a look at the pair together. It's right here, the Nike Free X Metcon 2 training shoes in the Legion Green, Jade Horizon, Imperial Blue, all grey colourway. And right here, close up side by side. And just let me line them up neatly. So right there, nice and even as best I can. And of course, the underside as well. So nice, kind of minty green with that Jade Horizon colorway. So that's Nike Free X Metcon 2 training shoes. Thanks for watching and happy training!